Hello everybody, Asong Filipina, welcome back. So to this video, I have here a lot of shoes to unbox. So let's get started. So first is this one. Then for the flip-flops, I didn't try it yet in the pedals, but I'm going to show you that later. So for now, first is I'm going to show you all of these shoes. My god, it's so cute. I'm excited. Okay. Looks different in the photos. But okay, this is yellow gold. So I'm gonna put it here. Or here. Okay, this one is a lot. Okay. Next is this is kind of rubber. Yeah, it is rubber. I thought it's different. But then okay. So we have this, I think 12 pairs or 30. So I have the flip-flops. I'm gonna make pictures later. So two, I'm gonna put here. Just enjoy watching. Okay, this one, I love the style. And it looks big. It's red. Oh, this is the same. Yellow and red. Different color, but then it's the same style. So I have this pink. And then brown. Oh my god, this is so lovely. The quality is good for this. Price matter. So brown. Okay, I'm gonna put this aside so that you can see my shoes. This one. Try this one. Yeah. Size 36. If you want to donate some shoes, message me to my Gmail account. So plain black. Try. Because I order size 36 and sometimes it depends the brand, but then okay, good. Size 36. So 3 36 or 37. OMG. I have sari store. I have a shoe store now. Okay, I have a lot of shoes to wear. And this is the same. Wait, oh. Okay. Oh no, it's different. Looks same. Another 36. Nice. So, okay. I get it's a lot of shoes. This one. The last is this one. I'm thinking before I go to the city, so I have to unbox this first. Ooh, nice. Okay, I'm gonna show you all of the shoes that we unboxed today. So for now, that's all everyone, and I hope you like it. See you next vlog, and of course, more shoes to unbox and more driving videos to work in my membership channel. So for now, because the weather is really bad, so I don't really upload so much there, but I'm gonna make time for that, upload more videos in the membership and also in my Patreon. So I want to say thank you everyone. You know, I'm using the new camera and I'm watching myself. Sometimes I forgot that there's a lens in the upper. But anyway, I'll see you next video.